Welcome to Taxonomy Online Mathematics. We are solving questions on the indices, questions that appear in the WASSCE under the topic indices. So the first one, we have this and this. If you check clearly or carefully, you can see that 9, 3 have something in common in terms of common base. We can change 9 into base 3. That is 9 exponent 2. 3 exponent 2 will give you 9. Then that simply means that since 729 is also in the same equation, it means we can also break down 729 in base 3. Meaning 3 times 3 times 3. How many times will I get 729? And that is going to be 3 exponent 2 will give me 9. But the 9 already have an exponent of x, so I multiply. Then times 3 exponent 2y equals to, this is going to be 1 over 3 exponent 6. 3 exponent 6 give us 729. Now we are going to also employ one property under indices, which says that if I have 1 over a number, the exponent becomes negative to clear the fraction. So this is going to be 3 exponent 2x times 3 2y equals to 3 exponent what? Negative 6. Alright, so we are trying our best to make sure each of the terms have the same base, equal base. Now, since they are all having equal base, then we are going to operate with what? The exponent. But the left hand side is a multiplication. And if you are multiplying, you add the exponent. So this becomes 2x plus 2y equals to minus what? 6. We can rewrite this as 3 exponent 2x plus 2y equals to this equal exponent this. But to get it at a straightforward, I can have this. We can see that 2, 2, 6 have something in common. That is 2. So we divide through by 2 to get x plus y equals to minus 3. And we can see that there's nothing we can do. So we can take this as equation 1. Now we also have 2, 4, 8. We can also break this in the same base. Meaning 4 in base 2, 8 also in base what? 2. So we are going to maintain our 2 exponent minus x, then times 2 exponent 2 will give you 4. Then the 4 is already having exponent of minus y. So this becomes minus 2y equals to 8 exponent minus 1. Or we can do the same as we have done for the first equation, as in 1 over 2 exponent 3. Alright, so from there, we try to get another equation. So that is going to be 2 exponent minus x times 2 exponent minus 2y equals to 3 exponent minus, 2 exponent what? Minus 3. These two, then the reciprocal of this give you a negative exponent. So it means from here, we can also employ the laws of indices. If I have the same base, I take the exponent, but the first part is multiplying. So that is going to be minus x plus minus 2y will give me minus 3. As in taking the exponent away from the base, it will be minus x plus minus 2y equals to minus 3. And that also gives us equation 2. So now we are going to solve equation 1 and equation 2 simultaneously. Let me rewrite this here. So be x plus y equals to minus 3. These are equation 1. Now under simultaneous equation, if you are having any of the variables that have the same coefficient, you will check their sign. If the sign assigned to them is the same, you subtract. But if the signs are different, you only add to clear one of them. So if I add equation 1 plus equation 2. The x is going to be 0. Then I'll be having minus 2y plus y. And that will give you minus y equals to this plus this. Since we are having minus 3, we are adding another minus 3, become minus what? 6. Now we are looking for y, not negative y. So we multiply through by negative 1 to get our y equals to positive 6. The value of y is determined. We are looking for x and y. So we put y equal to 6 into any of the equation. So I'll take equation 1. So I'm going to hold my x plus y, which is now 6, equals to minus what? 3. So now we group like terms, as in I subtract 6 from both sides. So x will be here, 6 minus 6 is 0. Then I have minus 3 minus what? 6. So x is going to be, this is just like minus 3 plus minus 6. We are adding the 2. We will still have a negative answer. So it will be negative what? 9. So therefore, the value of x is going to be minus 9. Y is going to be what? Positive 6. That is what you can get from this. So you will try to break them all, have equal base. Then you take care of the exponent. Thank you very much.